we're back here in Agawam. We're at 24 Damato Way. It's Brad the Mortgage Guy, and this is your local look. Inside, we have Liz and a special guest we're gonna meet, ready to show us around. So, oh, wait, this is different. We got a little note. It says, come around back. Here we go. Liz, what's going on? What are we doing back here?
Come on in. I wanted to show you this magnificent walkout basement.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, this is huge. I love the finishes down here. All right, let's head on upstairs. Let's meet the man.
Kyle, what's going on, buddy? We appreciate you showing us around here, man. Your debut on the local look. Why don't you give us a walk around and show us the place?
All right. As we walk down the hall, on the right you can see the massive pantry, and then there's a half bath over here, and on the left you'll see the 2-car garage. Love the wood floors throughout, and the gas fireplace is super convenient.
So let's head on upstairs and take a look at the 4 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. We're gonna start over here on the left with the primary bedroom. This place is big. We have in here everything you could want. Down the hall, we have another full bathroom.
Yeah, let's go check out the remaining bedrooms.
Yeah, this place is great. If you want to check it out, reach out to Liz and Kyle. If you're looking to get pre-approved, we got some awesome programs for these homes in particular. So hit me up. Thanks, Agawam, for having us. It's Brad the Mortgage Guy, and this has been your local look.